Now, Fox Carolina First Alert Weather with meteorologist Katherine Noel.
6:16 here on this Friday. We have a beautiful day ahead of us. Great way to kick off the weekend, as mentioned. Honestly, you couldn't ask for better weather. 86 degrees for that high and more today, so it's going to be a little warmer than yesterday, the past couple of days, that is. We're back to the mid to upper 80s the next couple of days. 86 in Union, mostly sunny skies. 83 towards Cowpens, 84 in Gaffney. Hometown highs towards Liberty, Seneca, 88 to 89, so close to a 90. And we're going to get even warmer in the coming days, too. So there's a good chance, especially off towards the west-southwest, that you are going to hit 90s by this weekend. 82 in Weaverville, 80 in Waynesville, that is, 84 in Silva, 76 in Highlands, of course a little bit cooler there per usual. So Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday, our first day of fall, looking spectacular, quiet, dry, a lot of sunshine, no rain chances, and helping us warm and reaching highs of 88 to 89, close to 90. I think some have a good chance of hitting 90 on that first day of fall across the upstate. So the countdown to fall, it continues, and it's almost here. The autumnal equinox happens Sunday, September 22nd at 8:43 in the morning. So if you want to celebrate, that's the time when we switch those seasons for us. 2 days away, keeping us dry and quiet during that time frame until next week. We do have some chances of rain in the forecast for us, and this comes with tracking the tropics too. A lot of talk about what's happening in the tropics in the coming days, which is really going to set the tone for what's going to happen into next week. So we continue to watch this disturbance in the Western Caribbean, and it could move into the Gulf of Mexico. There is a chance of development over the next 7 days, a medium chance that is 42, which has stayed pretty consistent. GFS American model, which you're seeing right now, has not stayed consistent. So this shows us still a chance of a strong storm, but it's a little bit of a westward track too. Just a lot of changes with this, which we don't love to see when it comes to, okay, is this going to actually happen? That outcome just sort of fizzles for us, you know, when it looks to having high confidence of this becoming true. But what does have consistency is the Euro, which shows not as strong of a storm, but still seeing some impacts, potentially Mexico, the Bahamas. This is something that we could see happen, rain moving into the U.S. from this into next week by the end of next week. And if we do see the first model come true, we could see higher chances of rain here, even at home. But I think, as mentioned, the European, that second run that we showed you, has a better odd of actually coming to fruition, which means less rain for us. But still, until that load develops over the weekend, we're not going to have a really good set of what exactly will happen into next week. Keeping an eye on this weekend, just of some lovely weather. Fall, once again, happens on the 22nd. High stay in the low to mid 80s, looking gorgeous, at least for the next several days. 6:19 here.